Kasi parang sinave mo yung number, tapos yung Viber, may bago na siyang number, may photo. Biglang yung Viber, may family na siya ngayon.
Hindi mo dinelete, no?
Hindi ko alam. I had the same number ever since.
Taga-GMA din siya. Taga-GMA.
Tapos nung nag-engage nga ako, nag-congratulate nga. Uy, you found the one na. Sabi ko, yeah.
Ay, gano'n, nag-congratulate.
So, message ko, sabi ko,
Ano to? Starts with a letter.
sabi ko.
Artista?
Sabi ko,
Artista?
Oo, sinabi ko.
Artista!
Sabi ko nga God really, sabi ko.
Artista!
Sabi ko, God truly works in mysterious ways. I really believe that. And I go,
It's the Gin Pomelo.
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
another Thursday this summer. We are coming to you here at Angeles for this exclusive summer feels of our episode. Where are we coming from, ladies?
Grande Raj, Angeles, Pampanga.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast,
the summer edition. Yan. So we're here, live. Nice. Thank you to our audience. Always here. Right smack in the middle of summer.
Yeah.
You know, sobrang, I could just remember summer memories.
Summer loving.
Summer memories.
Happens so fast.
Saan tayo una nag-summer?
I think nag-Siargao tayo, di ba?
Well, I haven't been there.
It's
Uy.
expensive. It's
Grabe,
funny. It's funny that it's
pagkakaguluhan ka
expensive.
Ang dami daw afam.
Pagkakaguluhan ka doon.
No, and the business owners.
Mukha kang foreigner
afam.
doon.
Ano ba, island souvenir ba ako doon?
Pedro shirt. Isosuot
I think
ka.
it's time to try something first.
Alright, ito, napaka-summer
Yay.
nito. It's very Filipino. Time for 2 hot
Grabe.
tries.
2 hot tries.
This one is Gin Pomelo or
Ow!
Gin Pom.
My
Ang paboritong
gosh.
inumin ng Barangay Tanod. Yan.
Talaga ba?
Yung may mga pichel, yan yun. Oh, yan ang sa'yo.
Thank
Of
you.
course.
May color coding?
Walang coding. Timing lang yung umbrella. So this is
Cheers,
Gin
guys.
Pomelo. This is the
Cheers.
best. If you ask me, this is our nation's drink. Gin lang. And
Sarap! Oh my God, lahat ng drinks nila.
winner ang bartender.
Ang galing
It's
naman.
Telling you.
It's good.
CJ, I think you have a calling. The recipes on the screen.
Masarap.
You're welcome. People out there, you're welcome. Share this with your friend and share with us your Gin Pomelo stories.
Love it. I think we should put the umbrella here. Since it's
Ang
summer.
sarap ito ha.
So nagets mo na kung bakit yung mga tito mo hindi umalis dun sa kanto na may pichel.
Sarap ha.
Open pa tayo for
Baka meron sponsor,
sponsors.
lasing na ako.
Very, very good. Very, very refreshing.
And open
Perfect
po
right now.
kami for
Cheers.
sponsorship. So
Yes,
guys, if
thank
you
you.
wanna
Any brands out there that want to get
Feature
featured on Too Hot for
your
Podcast?
alcoholic
You know,
beverages.
let us taste it. Let us try it. If you're a restaurant as well, do put it here, just like here at this beautiful, beautiful resort.
Yeah, and also we have a Facebook community, Too Hot for Podcast community.
sarap naman
So
ito.
please join it.
Yes.
If you have any stories for us, we'd happily feature you on our show.
And we'll talk to you. I personally message people there.
enjoy ako, di ba? May sarili akong mundo dito. Parang,
Di naman
wala
yun.
kayo dyan.
Diba? So do check it out. All right, all about summer. It's about hooking up with someone because you have so many different weekends of summer. You have April, usually a Holy Week. Natry mo naman punta ng Boracay na Holy Week.
Yes, dati.
Ang quiet pag Friday, no? Napansin ko,
Really?
walang...
Nagpunta tayo before.
Oo, walang nag-DJ. Thursday,
Yeah.
biglang Friday, wala.
Tahimik.
Meron pa nagpapasa ng cruise.
Tapos nagla Union din tayo.
La
diba?
Union.
Grabe yun. We were so traumatized kasi it took us 8 hours
So you
to get to La Union.
No, not 8, 12.
Bakit
Because
ang tagal?
8 lang,
it's just
honey.
people at NLEX were just like that.
Sobrang traffic.
Oh my God.
Sobrang traffic. But now, I don't think that'll be the case because
Yeah.
of gas. But
We went to Liwa-Liwa. These are like the summer experiences we've had together, no? Liwa-Liwa. We went to Siargao. Napansin ko sa Siargao, you have to wear sunblock. Because you will get freaking dark.
And
I never
reapply.
gotten dark that fast in my life. Photo will insert.
In Siargao?
Oo,
Yeah,
grabe. As
super
in,
init.
na-heat stroke pa ako sa Cebu. On top of all of that, I didn't know what a heat stroke was. I thought I was just drunk, passing out. Nope, that was a heat stroke. I couldn't
Oh my
bend my head.
gosh.
Yeah. Too crazy, too crazy.
Scary.
But yeah, so yung memory ko is if I'm gonna go out Holy Week, I'd rather just fly out,
Yeah.
not within
Metro Manila.
in
But
Manila.
maybe it's a different story now. Kasi the gas is so expensive.
Yeah, you leave early. Huwag ka sumabay sa lahat. Kung lahat aalis ng Wednesday, umalis ka
Yeah.
Tuesday or Monday. That's the way you do it. So that's my story on that. So time for the jar?
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
So in this episode, we will share summer hookup stories and tips. So hopefully you guys learn a
May
thing or two.
naalala ba ako?
Yung may mga pick-up lines sa kanilang girls. Ako naman kung may diskarte man ako, gumana man o hindi. Ito yon.
But before that, kailangan natin ng
meron.
shot.
Okay.
Yeah.
May chaser.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so here's yours with a sparkle. Okay, ito na yung katawan ni Cristo.
Parang iba yung kulay nung sa akin. Dali lang
Sparkling ka eh.
Abot pa ba ako sa dulo?
Cheers. Cheers.
Ay, sorry.
Kung ang Bini nag-Coachella, si Too Hot for
Lasing na
Podcast,
ako,
nag-Angeles.
This is very water
Dahil
forward.
itong dalawang to.
Yeah, water forward. Oh.
It's a water
Umiinit
forward.
na yung mukha ko, guys.
Go, Shuri, go!
It's good.
Parang ang init na.
Here's the first question. Oh, I like my accent. Okay, would you rather be the one who cared more or the one who cared less?
Ay, mahirap yan. The golden rules of not
Who
caring.
cared more or
What?
less?
What's the golden rule of not caring?
Summer hookup, di ba? Oh,
Uh-uh.
so, ikaw muna mauna. Kwento kami kwento. Sige.
Huwag kayo mag-away, ah.
Nakakatakot naman yung mga ganyang kwento.
Hindi, nag-care kasi ako nung time na yun eh.
Ay, naku, lagot ka kay
Nag-care ako
PB.
nun. Yun yung mahirap dun.
Anong year to?
This was...
Before pa ako.
Yeah, before ano yun. Before Phoebe. Kung meron before Christ, BC, that was BP. Before PB.
Lagot
Before PB era. Before PB era.
Oh.
Ano yun? I remember that. That was a GMA 7 regional show. Lahat kami, party. Tapos,
Titong-tito, ah.
Sup? Tapos hook up.
Alug-alug pa eh.
The hard part there is hook up was lunch. So the thing there is dinner. Nag-exchange numbers kami. Exchange. Viber tayo. Hook up kayo lunch eh. Viber. Dinner time, Viber. Saan kayo kain? Di ka type din eh. Okay. So that's always the question is, if you hook up with somebody in Boracay, your trip is on a weekend. Nag-hook kayo Friday. The whole weekend ba? Kasama mo ba siya? Siya na ba yung Boracay date mo for the whole weekend? Kasi I was sort of like left hanging. I was just like,
So you wanted it to be the whole trip.
kasi nga, I don't really hook up casually. At that time, it just so happened. You know, I was just like, oh, okay, cool. So ngayon, on a Friday night, may iba na siyang kasama.
Wow.
So feeling ko, kinamit lang ako. I felt so used. It was different. It was just like that. That's why I rather be the one who don't care. Kasi parang sinave mo yung number, tapos yung Viber, may bago na siyang number, may photo. Biglang yung Viber, may family na siya ngayon.
Oh.
Hindi mo
Ganun.
dinelete, no?
Hindi ko alam. I had the same number ever since.
Dinelete, eh.
Nag-congratulate ka nung
Ano
na-engage
ng pangalan
ako.
kasi check ni PB?
Oo nga, ano
mamaya.
ba to?
Mga-
Taga-GMA din siya? Taga-GMA?
Tapos nung nag-engage nga ako, nag-congratulate nga. Uy, you found the one na. Sabi ko, yeah.
Ay,
Oo.
gano'n. Nag-congratulate.
Congratulate.
Naku.
So, message ko, sabi ko,
Ano to? Starts with the letter.
sabi ko,
Artista?
sabi ko,
Artista?
Oo, basta sinabi ko.
Artista!
Sabi ko nga God really, sabi ko.
Artista!
Sabi ko, God truly works in mysterious ways. I really believe that. And I go,
It's the Gin Pomelo.
I had to feel
Kasalanan
that
to nung-
pain to appreciate what happiness is.
Dahil mong explanation, ha?
Yan. Yun, that's,
Hindi
yun ang
ka
nafe-feel.
balbon.
Alam mo,
At least honest tayo,
matagal
honest.
na yung gusto ikwento to eh.
Kayo
Itong
eh.
Boracay
Summer
hook
fling
up
kayo.
na to eh.
Oh, game.
Ko,
Ako na ba?
napipil ko na talaga.
Ikaw, anong
Feeling
kwento
ko
nyo?
lasing na ako talaga.
Ito nakarami na. Ano yung Boracay summer?
Hindi na Boracay, basta summer.
Summer.
Shit, sa sobrang dami, hindi ko maalala.
Ay, yan eh.
Hindi, joke
Hindi, the
lang.
question is, would you rather care more or less?
I would rather care less, but knowing me, I'm the one who cares more.
True. Yeah.
Diba?
Kumain ka na ba?
I think girls,
Nagka-hangover
girls
ka ba from
give
last
that
night?
answer.
I remember, siguro yung summer hookup ko, parang, I met this guy at the bar before. And then, may nangyari. Diba?
Sa bar?
Hookup.
Ah, yeah.
And then,
So, sorry, hookup means
like,
Definition of hookup.
hookup
there
means
on the
sex,
screen.
What's the
right?
definition of hookup?
May sex na.
dapat may sex,
Oh,
gano'n.
so hindi pa ako nag-hook up ever.
Medyo. Malapit. Malapit na. But, after that, bigla na lang, he invited me to go with him to another
Country?
city. Parang
wow.
El Nido or something like that. I can't remember.
social.
Basta it's another But he didn't want to pay for my ticket.
Travel agent pala siya.
He didn't want to pay for...
Binibenta
Hello, Rico, hindi naman gentleman yun na magyayaya ka, na-meet mo siya sa isang island, then magyayaya siya. Tapos hindi niya babayaran yung ticket ng babae, kachipan yun.
Pero pagdating mo doon, all expenses paid.
I paid for my ticket, syempre.
Hindi kasi,
And then,
may friend ako na dinare din siya. O, lipad ka dito.
yeah.
Ngayon, kasal na sila. Lumipad si girl.
Talaga?
Lumipad si girl. She paid for her own ticket.
Really?
Ngayon, kasal na sila.
Pero kasi for me,
Could
if
have
a
been
guy,
Mr. Right.
if a guy invited you to go to another island with him, he should be the one paying for your trip, 'di ba? Siya nag-invite eh.
Baka tinetest ka lang.
Oo,
Hindi.
baka tinetest ko pa
Kahit
lang
na,
nun. Oo.
Kahit na. I mean, like, if you're a gentleman, if you invite someone to fly with you,
Yeah.
Come fly.
ikaw dapat magbayad nun.
Fly
Hindi
with
yung
me.
parang papagbayarin mo yung babae ng ticket niya. Parang napaka-ano naman nun. Hindi ka naman gentleman nun, di ba?
Paano nga tayo nung unang trip natin? Sino ba nag-aya?
So, turn off yun.
Ganun pala yun. So take note of this.
I know, I get that. I get that,
Girls,
yeah.
when somebody invites you to fly with them,
It depends.
the guy should, or
No,
the
but it
person
depends.
sino yung nag-invite, yun ang magbabayad.
It depends
Oo.
how well you know each other. Kasi baka naman...
Ano, sasama ka kung mamimit mo
Hindi,
lang?
pero kasi makikilala mo siya
May
eh.
chemistry eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
I mean, kahit na. But I mean,
Nag-exchange
the guy
fluids na
is...
kasi.
Oo,
yeah.
nag-hook up na eh.
Oo, nag-hook up na. So,
Oh, doon naman tayo hook up sa
parang
kabila.
turn off naman yun. Kung,
Sa kabilang isla naman.
oo, di ba? So, parang... So, ibig sabihin nun,
around the
parang yun lang
Philippines ka
talaga
sana.
yung trip niya sa'yo. Hilo, makakascore siya sa'yo, tas ikaw pa magbabayad ng ticket. Wow.
Nasaan
Grabe
siya?
na yun, ah.
Artista siya.
Hindi siya artista.
Hindi.
So,
Okay, time for a shot clock.
Hindi, yung sa'yo lang yung artista.
ayan na nagselos ko ni Phoebe.
Naka-work ko na kaya yun?
Saan? Sa wish ko lang.
Anong initials?
Tadhana.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Sandali lang, mali.
May sparkle to. Saan ba may sparkle?
Sarap masyado kasi niyan.
Taga-sparkle? Yeah.
Patapang ng patapang.
Thank you so much for that.
Puro kung puro. Ako, ito, laseng.
Parang,
Ako mukha saan?
puro
Diabetes.
Asan ako? Ano
Diabetes.
Uy, hindi pa ako nakaka-try uminom nito I
Ng
mean,
gin.
yung drink na ng gin na yun.
Oh, solid yan, gin pom.
Di ba yun yung iniinom
you.
ng mga tambay sa kanto?
Oh, gin pom. Tsaka guyabano. Gin guya.
Sarap pala nun,
Sa tang lang yan. Sang sachet ng tang lang
Kailangan ko
katapat
uminom ng
nun.
vitamin.
Tang litro.
No, ako, same answer, Shuri. I'd rather care less, but because we're women, we end
Yeah.
up caring more.
Yeah.
I rather care more, I guess. Kasi alam ko yung capacity ko kung paano ko magmahal. Kahit masaktan man ako, at least I know for myself, the silver lining to it, na kaya ko pala magmahal ng gano'n. Kaya,
O, bunot ka na, honey.
she called me honey. We're not
Lari.
supposed to be magjowa. When did dating become a game of who feels less?
When
It
did
became a game when you get heartbroken. You want to have a revenge.
Siguro pag
Ako, yun yung definition ko ng game nun eh.
Ako, pag yung situationship, alam mo yung parang you're giving your all to this person, but the other person is making you feel like he only wants to be with you for another reason.
Kasi
Pag kailangan ka lang niya sa sarili niya pag wala siyang ibang pag bored siya, pag wala siyang ibang mapuntahan.
Breadcrumbing na yun.
Yun nga eh.
Breadcrumbing
So
na
that
yun.
becomes
Kasi nung nag-situationship ka, nilalatag sa'yo, hindi kayo nagkalatagan kung ano yung rules yun ng situationship. Nagkaroon ng blurry line there somewhere.
yeah, but still.
Kasi
I mean,
if you feel uncertain, there's a form of control and manipulation.
but it's like a game eh. Yung parang hindi mo alam kung nasan ka. Yung, ay, pinupuntahan niya ako. Ay, parang nagpaparamdam siya sa akin. Ay, tells me he likes me. But then, ayaw niya to commit. I mean, natatakot siya makita kayo together. So, it becomes a game. So,
Tinatago ka
ikaw
niya?
naman, parang you're trying to, alam mo yun, parang you're trying to give your best na para i-love ka niya, para i-respect ka niya, para i-serious ka niya. But then, hindi mo nakukuha sa kanya yun.
So when is it
it's
time to
like
give up?
It's
When
like a
is-
game.
When is it time to give? When is it time to stop playing the game?
When God give you a sign.
Yeah.
Like a super, super obvious sign.
May na nga eh. Hindi pa basahin nyo. So it only becomes a game if you're willing to also play.
Yeah.
If one is playing the game and you choose not to play the game, then parang drama.
For me ha, yun
If
yun.
somebody
Yun
is
yun.
throwing the drama, it only becomes a drama when you subscribe to it. You always have the option
Subscribe
to
to
control it.
what?
To the drama.
Akala ko.
Di ba? Yun lang yun.
Yeah.
If you buy into it, ganun lang
Yeah.
yun.
No, and guys kasi generally are ma-pride eh. So,
I don't know. Well, you know what? I have a question. Like, when do you know if a guy, Rico, for you, when do you know if a guy likes you or wants you to be in his life? As a,
If
like,
they're willing to wait.
what do you mean? Like,
They're
what if-
willing to wait. Like, for example, they're not aggressive to get in your pants. If I'm gonna hook up with
No,
you,
but what if you guys are already hooking up
Hmm.
and you're giving your best, but then this guy doesn't show you?
if they talk feelings.
Really?
Yeah,
Like,
if-
what do you mean? Like, I'm falling in love for you?
No,
ganyan,
I
ganyan?
just
Or
miss
in love
you.
with you?
Oy,
or
good
ganun?
morning, I miss you. Did you eat already? If they're concerned and asking you, kumain ka na ba? Yung simpleng message lang, uy, kumain. Uy, di ba tinanong kita, kumain ka na? Kahit gano'n ka galit, uy, galit ka ba? Okay lang, pero kumain ka na. Concern pa rin siya sa'yo. And slowly work your way in. Uy, yung friend mo, kamusta na si friend mo? If they ask about your friends, di ba? Or kamusta na si...
Pero kasi, tatanungin naman talaga niya yun kung nakakasama niya.
Kung tatanong, people ask.
Oh.
They want to know more of you and not just your body. Kaya huwag mo kayo agad ibigay.
I think they're interested in your world.
If
din,
they
diba?
love
Yung,
you, if they care for you, they will wait. Trust me.
That's true.
I made Phoebe wait.
Wow.
You made Phoebe wait. Actually.
I told her, I don't normally do this.
Oh my goodness.
Sabi ko kay Rico, Hoy, maswerte ka na dyan, no? Wala ka nang mahahanap na ganyan,
Oo,
Rico.
tingnan mo.
Kaya
May payong
umayos
pa, oh.
ka.
Siyang pinya colada.
Ma-pride kasi si Rico, tas ending.
Nga.
Yung ending, nag-propose, tapos hindi ko alam.
Yun ang gusto ko dun sa part na yun.
Nakakabuisit to si Rico.
Hindi ka talaga mindrip si Sherry nun.
Oo, grabe
To get
siya.
that natural
Alam mo yung gulat na
reaction.
gulat ako? Parang, ha? What's going on? Oh my God! Pero congratulations.
Hey!
Malapit na yung...
Thank you.
ano nyo.
Almost there. This is
Wedding
last few
nyo.
episodes.
I'm so excited.
of us being, next thing, our
right?
sponsors will be Enfapro.
Oh.
Feeling ko tonight na mangyayari yun. Tapos, meron na yan tomorrow.
Name of the child, Rada. What's the name of the
So,
place?
ay, oo nga. Anong pangalan ng baby niyo if ever?
No, what's the name of this place again?
Raj.
Randa Raj.
Jar.
Ang pangit,
Si
Rico.
Jar Jar. Jar Jar. Ulit dito, Jar Jar. Kapatid niya si Jar Jar.
Pangit.
Lalaki si Jar Jar. Babae si
What's-
Jar Jar.
Something you did in a fling that you wouldn't be proud of to admit. Give my all. Tanga.
Oh.
Tanga-tanga mo, Shiri.
But at the time, did you know it was a fling or...
How will you know?
Oh, yun
Kasi,
nga eh.
alam mo, ako, meron akong pagka-hopeless romantic kind of person eh.
Yeah.
Yung parang, I wanna always give my best. Alam mo yun, yung ipiprepare ko lagi yung food for him or like imamassage siya.
Wife naman,
or,
wife vibes naman
or
yun.
ipiprepare ko yung bathtub for them. Alam mo yung
Wow.
For
parang...
them, madami.
For them. Ang dami nila. no?
Dami. Grabe.
At least hindi niya isipin pag napanood niya to, di ba? Ay, seryoso pala siya sa akin.
Paano kung bumalik sila ngayon?
Ay, hindi na. Kasi pag wala na talaga.
Really?
Oo. Kasi yun nga, I have that give my all
I'm gonna
kind
trace my
of
roots.
Yeah.
I think you're part of my roots.
Which root?
Si Makarut or Maharut?
Macaroon.
Si Maharut?
The Maharut?
Maharut?
The Maharut part? Up or down?
Diba?
Ano
Di-
ulit yung question? Sorry, what's the question again?
Ano yung
Uy!
question?
Ang lakas nito ah!
Ano yung question? Ano yung question? Maharut?
Hindi na napapansin yung mga sagot eh.
Question.
Ang init.
Something that you did in a fling that you won't be proud of.
Won't be
Yun
proud
nga, I
of.
To
give
admit.
my all.
Ako, social media. Nag-exchange kami ng social media. Kasi pag
Paano
fling,
naging ano yun?
pag fling kasi when you meet them at a bar or at a like, kunyari, Boracay.
Hindi mo
or
kukunin
whatever,
yung
you
social
don't,
media?
that's one rule that you should never do.
Really?
You should never let the person know what you do. Never. That's part of the exchange of... That's
Paano
where
pag hinanap ka niya tapos tinakpan
that's not
niya?
fun. There's a mystery behind it. Like, who's that person? Yung nag-exchange kayo ng contact info. You should never bring what happened in that place back to Manila.
Oh, really?
You should never. You're
Well,
just
it depends,
You're just
kasi-
setting up yourself for a heartache.
Eh, Rico, what if naman the person wanted to be talaga
No.
with somebody and then ikaw lang pala
Hindi,
yung fling?
paano nga pagka
Oo.
gusto mo na yung fling na yun, tapos nagustuhan mo siya, tapos you wanna have another time with him or her.
Remember, how you meet them is how you lose them.
Really? Talaga?
Simple as that.
Ganun ba yun?
So if you met on an island,
Oh my God, ba't hindi ko alam to?
how did you, when you meet them in an island, how do you lose them?
In the island also?
Oh, di ba?
Eh, what if you go to another island and then nandun din siya?
Oh, ganun talaga.
O di
O
island
di meant to be
hopping.
na yun.
Oo.
Meant to be na.
Destiny.
Oo, destiny.
Okay.
Ako may answer. I think kasi looking back, saka mo malalaman kung fling o hindi. Kasi kung nag-work kayo, hindi kayo fling, right? Anyway. So, I think my answer would be waiting. Akala ko siseryosohin ako.
Yun nga eh.
Yun pala, hindi pala niya ako
Sandali,
siseryosohin.
paano nyo nasasabing sineseryoso kayo, girls? Sorry. Kasi kami, like us guys, when we see you at a
Hindi kasi
resort,
guys
we're
make
partying.
Oh,
promises.
Kaya nga
Guys,
eh.
make
Ang galing-galing
so
kasi
many
ng mga lalaki
promises.
magpaano eh.
What kind of guys are you guys
magpaandar eh.
dating?
Of course,
I don't make no promises.
Ang galing-galing kasi yung parang, you're so I'll see you again,
I'll see you
ha? And,
ganyan, oo.
after this, ha, baka ito na yung end natin, ha? Ganyan-ganyan. So, ikaw naman parang, ay, gusto niya ako magkita ulit.
Y'all say that. Y'all are
Oo.
pathetic.
So, you lick
Ouch.
everything. You lick the balls, the
Oh
puwet,
my God.
the puwet.
Yung pala yung my
Tapos
all.
yung pala hanggang fling ka lang.
Oh
Yan
my
pala
God.
yung my all
Yung
ni
pala yung my
Cherie.
all ni
God.
Cherie.
Yeah.
Oo. Pati yung burnex, sinisip-sip mo.
You just imagine.
Sorry, guys.
Where's that jelly bean?
Tapos yung jelly bean, ayaw
Oo
mo.
nga, kaamoy nun.
jelly
Wet dog.
bean. Diba? If you look at it. Diba? I mean,
Oh my gosh.
I didn't know that. I mean, kasi ako say, can we hook up? Kaya pala some person would call me an asshole sometimes.
Why? Your asshole smells.
No, kasi ano
yeah,
daw.
I saw that for a time.
Kasi daw, I don't call back. Kasi nga, hook up lang. Hook up. Okay, ingat.
Eh, baka kasi hindi malinaw sa babae na hook up lang
Kaya
siya.
nga.
Ang kapal
Pero
mo
paano
rin eh.
nyo nga?
Kapal eh.
So guys, dapat
Kaya
maging
pala
clear
nung
kayo.
unang-una nagde-date
Nagalit
tayo,
tuloy si
inaaway
Phoebe.
mo ako. Inaaway ako nito nung fourth month
Kasi
kami
hindi ako yung
nagde-date.
klase ng babae na hinuhook
As in,
up lang.
inaway niya ako.
Ayan na, nagagalit
Sabi
na.
niya, ano yun?
lagot.
Ano ba plano mo sa akin? 4 months tayong ganito. Ano to? Ganito lang ba? Bakit ako nandito?
Naks
Sabi ko,
naman.
well, sa puso ko. Kasi na nga, ligawan kita. Okay, time to get that shot.
Yay! Our final shot for
Pwede
this
ba tubig na lang
episode.
sa akin?
Maraming salamat.
So again,
I guess I'm drunk na.
I give my all.
Parang mali yata yung
Charisse
decision
terms
ko ah.
Is when I give my all, it's a physical.
Mali yata yung sinabi ko na, yung sa akin na, hindi fake ka.
Basta yung kay Cherie, when she says she gives her all, APE yun, APE.
Oo,
Annual Physical
Pati
Exam.
puwet.
Cheers, everybody. So again,
Lahat ng kanal dinidilaan.
Ay, grabe.
again, remember, if you are gonna have your summer hookup, please be safe, be protected. I don't want your kid being named Boracay or La Union.
Yeah.
Ay, mas
Be
pangit
protected.
yun kung borak.
All right. Cheers. Pinainom niyo ng gin.
Wait lang. Totoo to. Wait lang. Buti na lang dito ako matutulog.
There you go. All right. So remember, when you hook up, lay down the rules, lay down
Parang ako
everything.
yung umubos na isang bote ah.
And protect your heart. That's what it's all about.
I think I need
Kaya ba?
water.
Water? Okay.
If you're really out there just to like have fun, then go have fun. Have
Don't go out
fun.
there looking for love while everybody's looking for fun. You know what I mean? Again, how you meet them is how you lose them. Remember
I'll
that.
remember that, Rico. Kasi right now, syempre no, sa mga edad natin, na 24 ever, hindi natin naghahanap ng hookup.
Oo.
Pero pwede naman sometimes.
Parang hobby lang eh, no?
Nagbago agad eh, no?
Pickleball lang katapat nito, pickleball.
Alam mo, kasalanan to nung tinimplang drink.
Diba? Gin pom. Alright, so get to know the recipes down there in the bottom. Don't forget to share this. Share with us your summer experience, whether it's unforgettable or if you're trying to look for that person that you hooked up with and you can't find them, you could tag them here and hopefully they watch the episode. All right? So then, my name is Rico Robles.
What's my name? I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
Summer.
Alam mo, sa next episode, wala na walwal na ako after.